喺名媛望族裏面，江美儀呢兩句英文說話，大家應該都好喜歡。咁呢兩句說話咧係用嚟回應 Don't shout at me。
Don't shout at me. I don't give a damn. I'll shout as I please.
咁我哋今日分析嘅咧係 I will shout as I please。首先 I will shout 就係我會大聲講嘢，而 as I please 就係如我喜歡咁樣。所以 I will shout as I please 嘅意思係我中意大聲講嘢就大聲講嘢。我成日會鼓勵我啲學生咧學句子，而令到佢多用途，就唔好一個句子只能夠做一樣嘢。所以喺呢一個句子結構裏面咧，我哋可以將嗰個 shout 變成第二啲動詞，即係 I will 加一個基本形態動詞 as I please。意思即係我中意點樣做呢一樣嘢就會點樣做。呢一句說話所表達嘅係一種自主權，亦即係話唔需要人哋嘅認同、允許或者批准。當然呢一句說話唔需要好惡地咁樣去表達嘅。你又買咁多垃圾返嚟 It's my money and I will spend it as I please。 你件衫太暴露啦 I will dress as I please。 你唔好去咁多旅行啦 It's my life and I will live it as I please。 問下大家，如果想你表達 I will blank as I please， 你會用嚟表達啲乜嘢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。想揾私營英文補習老師咧，就歡迎私信我。想支持我繼續拍片，或者想輕鬆地揾啲過去拍過嘅題材咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期都會有會員專屬影片嘅。